Hello everyone, welcome to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing fish tacos. So let me show you the ingredients I'll be using. Over here I have 1 pound of grouper fillets. You can use any type of fish that you like. For the batter, I'm using 1.5 cups of flour and half a teaspoon of each of these seasonings: chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. I'm using 12 ounces of Sprite. And then I'm going to be making an amazing creamy cilantro sauce. I think this sauce makes the fish tacos so much better. For the sauce, I'm going to be using half a bunch of cilantro, 2 tomatillos. If you can't find tomatillos, you can just leave those out and it'll still be great. 1 large garlic clove, the juice of 1 lime, half of a jalapeno, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of buttermilk, and then 1 packet of ranch dressing. And then I'm also going to use some flour tortillas and then some pico de gallo as a topping. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I'm going to go ahead and make the creamy cilantro sauce. So in a blender, I'm adding the buttermilk. So 1 cup of buttermilk, half a bunch of cilantro, half of a jalapeno, 2 tomatillos with 1 garlic, 1 cup of mayonnaise, and then the 1 packet of ranch. And then lastly, the juice of 1 lime. Go ahead and blend that up. And then go ahead and pour it in a cup and set it aside. You can make half this amount if you don't want a lot of sauce. And then for the batter, I have my 1.5 cup of flour and then half a teaspoon of all my seasonings. And then I'm adding 12 ounces of Sprite and go ahead and just give that a good mix. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and coat my fish fillets. So I've already pre-seasoned my fish fillets with some salt and pepper. So you're just going to coat it very well in this batter and then let the excess come off. Now I'm going to go ahead and fry my fish fillets. I preheated some canola oil to 350 degrees and I'm going to fry each fillet for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until golden. After my fish is all fried, now I'm going to go ahead and toast my tortillas. So I melted half a teaspoon of butter and I'm adding about half of a garlic clove and just give that a mix and then toast your tortillas until they're like a nice golden color. And then we're going to go ahead and assemble our fish tacos. So first I'm adding the fish and then I'm adding some pico de gallo, avocados, the creamy cilantro sauce that I made, which is amazing. And then some fresh cilantro. Of course, for the toppings, it's whatever you like. You can add anything that you like. You can even leave it plain with the sauce, but this is how I like it. They turned out so good. That is it for these fish tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.